Second day in Brussels, but today is heavy rain, no, heavy snow, like this. So let's say we can have what photo today in the snow. Today with me is 85 Viltrox and the Sony A7 IV. So let's go. Okay, this is the boy.大哥不冷了，大哥。立刻。Now I'm at the Hill of the Art in Brussels. Here we go. It is a thematic landmark here. There will be a green apple on the rooftop and the cathedral. And this side is the statue and the whole of the town. It's quite cold, but right now it stopped raining, snowing. Yeah. Here we go. Here is the Brussels meeting center, and we got here. It's quite interesting. Climbing up the mountain. the hill. So we have here see the green apple and the cathedral and the statues. And this is the other side of the palm view. And this is the city hall in the middle. And also here is the frisk. Have the ferry wheel, and the sun is coming out this way. And here is Justice Center. Let's see. Let's have a bird view of the city. Okay, here is the city, and the blue sky is coming out. Lights here. Show mirror.这个 tram 挺好看的。Now at Luxembourg Park. There's no more snow now, but here's an artist who doing this. Salut. Say goodbye. Okay. Goodbye to Brussels.